Have you ever bitten into a pizza from a major chain and thought, why does this taste like cardboard and ketchup? If so, you're not alone. Critics have gone so far as to describe some nationally known pizzas as little more than sauce smeared on cardboard. Yet millions of people rely on these chains for family dinners, late-night cravings, and game day parties. The problem? Not all chains are created equal. Behind slick marketing and nostalgic memories lie low-grade ingredients, inconsistent cooking methods, and even questions about sanitation. Today on EatFrame, we re-pulling back the curtain on 7 pizza chains you should avoid at all costs, and highlighting 2 that actually deliver on taste and quality. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know where to spend your hard-earned pizza money. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments as we go. Your engagement helps us keep bringing you fact-checked food truth. Let's start with one of the most recognizable names in the business. Domino. Remember when Domino's ran ads admitting their pizzas tasted like cardboard? Despite multiple recipe overhauls, reviewers still complain about inconsistent quality and low-grade toppings. One critic even noted that the chain uses some of the lowest quality beef on the market. Customers often report that the sauce is too sweet, and the crust oddly rubbery in one location, yet barely cooked in another. Have you noticed how dramatically Domino's can vary from store to store? Share your experiences in the comments. While Domino's scores points for convenience and price, remember that its quality control isn't guaranteed. Next up is Papa Murphy's, the take-and-bake chain that sells uncooked pies for you to bake at home. The concept sounds promising. Pick up a fresh pizza, pop it in the oven, and eat it, piping hot. Unfortunately, reviews paint a different picture. Many customers say the finished product tastes no better than frozen supermarket pizza. Critics call the ingredients subpar, and the crust texture lackluster, with one noting that even the greatest pizza master in Italy couldn't make it taste good. If you love the smell of baking dough, consider a local bakery or make your own from scratch. You'll likely get a tastier result. Let us know if you've tried Papa Murphy's and whether you agree with these reviews. Then there's Little Caesars, famous for its hot and ready pizzas that promise speed and affordability. Walk in, pick up a pie, and leave in under a minute. Tempting, right? But that speed comes at a cost. Reviewers say the chain relies on low-quality ingredients, and its pizzas are more about convenience than taste. The crust can be lifeless, and the cheese oily. When you pay rock-bottom prices, you often get what you pay for. Ask yourself, is saving a few dollars worth serving lackluster pizza to your friends and family? Share your thoughts below. And if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe to EatFrame for more deep dives. Our 4th chain is CiCi's, known for its all-you-can-eat buffet and ultra-low prices. For families on a budget, endless pizza slices and pasta may sound ideal. Yet food critics warn that CiCi sacrifices freshness for quantity. Their pizzas sit under heat lamps for extended periods, leading to crusts that have been compared to cardboard. The sauce is often flavorless, and the cheese can turn slimy, then rubbery as it cools. From a health perspective, buffets pose challenges. Food can sit at unsafe temperatures and lose quality. So while the price might entice you, the experience often disappoints. If you've visited a CiCi's lately, share your experience with the community. Chuck E. Cheese is our 5th chain to avoid. Many of us have fond childhood memories of arcade games and animatronic bands at this family entertainment center. But when it comes to food, Chuck E. Cheese's pizza is widely criticized. Reviewers describe the cheese as artificial, and toppings that taste like cardboard. The crust is often likened to frozen dough, and the sauce is uninspired. Parents planning birthday parties should consider supporting a local pizzeria instead. It is likely to offer better taste at a comparable price, and you can still arrange plenty of fun activities. If you've thrown a party there, tell us how you found the food. Beyond these 5, a few other chains deserve caution. Sbarro, the mall and airport staple, holds the unfortunate position of being one of the least liked fast food chains in the U.S., ranking last among 65 chains in a Consumer Reports survey due to complaints about freshness and value. The chain sells pre-made pizza that sits under heat lamps, leading to slices that need reheating and taste stale. Many customers go in expecting gourmet Italian food but find cafeteria-style slices instead, leading to disappointment. Meanwhile, Papa John's has struggled with consistency. Its former CEO admitted that variability in the chain's baking processes from store to store has affected product quality. The company's attempts to innovate with numerous crusts and toppings have distracted from maintaining a high-quality core product, and executives now emphasize the need to recalibrate ovens and focus on basics. If you've ever had a soggy Papa John's slice, followed by a burnt one from another location, you've experienced this inconsistency firsthand. Be sure to hit that like button if you appreciate this level of research. Not every chain is subpar, though. So what makes a good pizza chain? It comes down to quality ingredients, hand-stretched dough, balanced sauce, and a commitment to consistency. Some chains embrace freshness and customization, delivering pies that rival local shops. 2 standouts are Mod Pizza and California Pizza Kitchen, CPK. Mod Pizza pioneered the build-your-own fast casual pizza model and does it exceptionally well. Unlike some competitors, Mod doesn't serve a floppy, flavorless crust. Instead, it offers a thin, crispy, almost sourdough-like base that holds up under your chosen toppings. The sauce is an umami-rich tomato blend that pops with natural sweetness and complements the milky mozzarella. This balance lets your toppings shine without being drowned out. Customers appreciate the ability to customize each pie and still receive a quality product in minutes. If you're looking for a chain that feels artisanal yet quick, Mod Pizza is a strong choice. Have you tried Mod? Let us know your favorite topping combinations in the comments. California Pizza Kitchen, or CPK, takes a more gourmet approach. Known for creative offerings like BBQ chicken and Thai chicken pizzas, CPK recently revamped its entire recipe. Instead of using a pizza press, chefs now hand-stretch and slap the dough to order, reducing sugar in the dough and creating a perfect canvas for toppings. The sauce is bright and natural, the cheese creamy and slightly nutty, and the crust arrives with a wood-fired char that adds depth. While it carries a higher price tag, the quality matches what you'd expect from a sit-down restaurant rather than a fast food chain. For those craving more adventurous flavors or a date-night pizza, CPK delivers an elevated experience. If you've had one of their pizzas recently, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to EatFrame if you're enjoying this content. As we wrap up, let's recap. We've seen that some of the biggest pizza chains fall short. Domino still struggles with consistency and quality despite its attempts to improve. Papa Murphy's take and bake model often yields pizzas that taste like frozen supermarket pies. Little Caesars trades quality for speed, leaving many slices bland and uninspired. CiCi's buffet prioritizes quantity over freshness and can border on unhealthy. Chuck E. Cheese offers entertainment, not culinary excellence. Sbarro suffers from stale, reheated slices that disappoint mall shoppers, and Papa John's acknowledges that inconsistent baking across its locations undermines its promise of better ingredients, better pizza. In contrast, Mod Pizza's crisp crust and balanced sauce show that build-your-own pizza can be done right, and California Pizza Kitchen's hand-stretched dough and creative toppings offer a gourmet alternative. Next time you're planning pizza night, consider venturing beyond the familiar neon signs. Support your local pizzeria or choose chains that prioritize quality over gimmicks. Have you had experiences with the chains we mentioned? Do you disagree with any of these assessments? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to EatFrame for more eye-opening food explorations, and share this video with friends so they can make smarter pizza choices too. Your taste buds and your health will thank you.